Your robot mop still smells like a swamp? DREAME L50 Ultra ended that embarrassment forever.
Your floors look like a crime scene of crumbs, fur, and mystery stains, and your current robot is part of the problem, getting stuck, tangled, or just pushing dirt around like it's allergic to actual cleaning. You're not messy. You're defeated by tools that promise freedom but deliver daily frustration. Type "done" below if you're ready to fire your old robot for good.
Chaos greets you the minute you open the door. Dog hair drifting like snow, sticky spots that grab your socks, and that nagging feeling you're losing the war against dirt. The burnout is real, spending your precious evenings wrestling with a machine that needs more babysitting than your toddler. What if you could reclaim your time and your sanity without lifting a finger?
The DREAME L50 Ultra robot vacuum and mop doesn't just clean, it dominates. Armed with 19,500 pascals Vormax suction, HyperStream Detangling DuoBrush that obliterates hair tangles, 3D structured light plus AI that dodges 180+ obstacles like cables, toys, and pet waste, ProLeap system that leaps 6 centimeters thresholds effortlessly, dual flex arm for edge-to-corner perfection, VibraRise 3.0 sonic mopping with auto lift, hot water mop washing, hot air drying, and a PowerDock that auto-empties for up to 100 days hands-free. One dad said his robot used to die under the couch daily. Now the L50 Ultra finishes 2 floors while he's still brushing his teeth. Keep watching. There's a secret carpet turbo trick coming that will blow your mind. Still settling for robots that choke on pet hair or drag dirty mops across your rugs? Thousands of fed-up pet owners, busy parents, and tech reviewers have ditched the old guard for the DREAME L50 Ultra's ruthless efficiency and zero-maintenance reality. One influencer with 3 shedding dogs said the detangling brushes are straight-up witchcraft. A tech analyst called the obstacle avoidance the best on planet Earth. And a mom of twins confessed her floors have never been this clean while she actually plays with her kids instead of cleaning. Reviewers rave about the silent power, the fresh, never-stinky mops, the way it maps multi-floor homes perfectly, and how it just works every single time. Real users are calling it life-changing, addictive, borderline unfair to every other robot out there. Which part makes you weakest? Never cutting hair off brushes again, or never touching a mop pad? Comment your obsession below.
Stock is vanishing faster than pet hair in turbo mode. Thousands have already upgraded to the DREAME L50 Ultra and are living in suspiciously clean homes while laughing at their old robots collecting dust in the garage. Don't wait for the next price jump or sellout. Click now, claim yours, and unlock the hidden maximum domination mode that makes even 10-year-old carpets look brand new. Your future self is already thanking you. Do it today.